Spelling nun.
C-H-O. Chu. Ilan tayo net? Alas 12. Galing, ma'am. Musta na? Carry na?
Ang sakit mo? May pepe ka? May UTI ka nga? Oo. Saan mo nakuha?
Hindi ko rin alam. Tapos chika pa ng doktor kung nakikipag-connect daw ako sa bill. Uy, Wiz!
Bilat? Ew!
Sure ka dyan?
Long Wiz!
Kasi madalang magka-UTI ang lalaki eh.
Ay, ibang second 6 ako.
Let's get it started. To start off set number 2, it's number 11, Rona De Castro. Service by Rona into the net. First kill goes to the aces. Now serving for the aces, it's number 16, Lexi Morilia.
Pangking na din eh. Pero kung sabi natin ito, pangking eh.
Hindi, puti na naman sa paglaka.
Service by Lexi. The receiver number 5. Set up to Penamanden. Error. Second kill goes to the aces. Yep.
Number 2.
Still serving, it's Lexi Morilia. Service by Lexi. The receiver number 5. Arellano. To the middle, Ledesma. Lexi with a dig. Takumos chooses Pere. Rolling shots. Arellano to Penamante. Ashley with a dig. Takumos sets up the bandan. Ohio bola. Chance sa aces. Chance sa net force. Arellano to Ledesma. Not over. Third kill. Aces.
Let us start after.
Still serving, Lexi Morilia. Serve by Lexi. The receive by number 11. Arellano chooses Penamante sa dos. Rolling shot. Aces gives up a chance ball. Net force. Arellano chooses Ledesma from the middle. It's good. Point for net force.
Pula this. Maybe natin. Let us ma-attack kaya.
Now serving, it's number 5, Liz Abaleta. Service by Liz. Receive by Lexi. Takumos to Fia. 1-2 play. Chansa. Takumos double violation. Point for net force. Still serving, it's number 5, Liz Abaleta. Regalo for the Desma.
Number 9.
Ano? Service
Attack.
Kill.
Still serving, Liz Abaleta. Coach Leon to receive, stable on to receive. Lavandan from the middle, inside. Point for the aces. Now serving, it's number 4, Crystal Ferre. Service error. Point for net force. Now that to serve for net force, it's number 9, Ledesma.
Cool.
Service goes wide. Point for the aces.
May ruler ka dito.
Serving for the aces, it's Via Tabandang. What a serve. Gone. Gives it up to Lizelle. The over, it crosses. Via chooses. Isha, it's good! 6 serving 4. Aces up by 2. Hello po sa aming 19 viewers. Service service, ace!
Ano yan?
Aces up by 3.
Sarap? May lasa? May ibang gulaman yun.
Still serving via the banda. Back to back aces. Lead is up to 4. 8 serving 4. Still serving, it's number 12 via the banda. And that goes wide. Point for the net force. 5 serving 8. On deck to serve, it's number 2. Sorry. Karen Benyamante. Service by Karen. The receive by Via. 1-2 play. Coverage was there. Go on the attack. Cristel was there. Faye goes to Isha. Child's ball for aces. Ashley pumalo sa tres. It's still good. Ricardo. Pabalik. Point for the aces. Now serving is 31. Faye the Kumus. Service by Faye. Short ball. Karen was there. The setup to goal. Dinagusto. Child's ball. Isha was there. Siyang palo. Isha. In the cross court kill. Lead is up to 5. Now serving, Faye Dacunos. Service by Faye, it goes wide. Point for net force. On deck to serve for number 2, net force, it's number 12, Arellano. Received by Via. Faye, Pinele, see Ashley. It's good. Chance ball. Via with the coverage. Ashley, sinet kay Isha. It's good for Isha.
Yeah.
11, serving 6. On deck to serve, it's number 10, Isha Gatchalian. Serve by Isha, it's an ace for Gatchalian. Lead is up to 6. Still serving, it's number 10, Isha Gatchalian. Service by Isha. Ledesma kinuha. Chance ball for the aces. Via with the receive. Faye goes to Cristel. Attack error. Seven, serving 12. On deck to serve, it's number 3, Justine Go.
Kapatid ni Bongo.
Pinurihan ko na lang.
Receive by Isha. Chance ball. Ledesma on the press. Via was there. Lexi sets up Cristel. Hindi na gusto. Chance ball. Karen. Isha was there. Faye sets up Ambata. It's good for Kapitana.
Sige lang, pwede ako mag-score dito. Nakalit.
Now serving, number 7, Katipunera Ashley Ambata. Katipunera with the service. The receive ni Karen. Dalawang preso mabot sa net force. Chansa. And that goes out. Point for the aces.
Si number 5.
Still serving, number 7, Ashley Ambata.
Ay, kasi si Chol sa pa.
Pwede yan sa atin naman.
Service by the Cantiponera. The receive ni Ledesma. Ledesma papalo sa dos. Like, Via was there. Babalik! Inside! Point for net force.
Number 9 pa din.
Substitution. Numbers 15 in, number 4 out. Still serving, it's number 11, Rona de Castro.
Nori de Castro.
What a serve by Rona. Good toss, and that's an ace for De Castro. 9, serving 14. Service by Rona. The receive by Lexi. Fade, chooses. Ooh, dalawang players ang nakaintindihan doon. Nakaintindihan. On to play. Nandun si Karen. Regalo. Buhay pa na ng bola. Karen, no over. Ashley was there. On to play. It's good for Faye.
Hi!
On deck to serve, or the aces, it's number 16, Lexi Morilla. Service by Lexi. Babalik ang bola. Ashley was there. On to play. Babalik. It's good. What a smart move by Peñamante. The back to you ko dun, Ashley. Service by Liz. The receive it, Isha. Shot, buhay ang bola. Regalo. Via, papalo. Go was there. Arellano, pipili kay Karen. Via was there. Babalik. It's no good. Point for Peñamante. Lead is down to 4.
Karen Davila.
Still serving, it's number 5, Liz Abaleta. The receive by Villa. Set to Angel. Papano, not over. Point for Net Force. Lead is down to 3. Still serving, Liz Abaleta. The service by Liz. Not over. Point for the Aces. Now serving is Angel de la Paz. Siyang pass, chance ball for the Aces. Angel with the dig. Faye, pinili, si Villa on the middle. Justin was there. Regalo. It's good. Point for the Aces. Still serving, it's number 15, Angel de la Paz. Their serve by Angel is short. Point for the Net Force. Now serving, it's number 9, Ledesma. Service by Ledesma. Villa was there. Villa, papalo, sa tres. It's good for Villa. Point for the Aces. Timeout, Net Force.
Ano ang crossword mo ah? Ganda ng crossword mo.
Yan talaga mag-win. First time ko gawin yan. Why not na ako man?
Back to the ball game. It's 18, serving 13 in favor of the Aces. On deck to serve for the Aces, it's number 12, Villa Tabandan. Service by Villa. The receive by Liz. Peñamante, sinet, chance ball sa Aces. Faye chooses Isha. Outside. That goes to Net Force. On deck to serve for Net Force is number 2, Karen Peñamante. Service to Karen, short ball. Hinabol ni Villa. Dalawang players na kumabol sa Aces. Chance sa Net Force. Arellano to go. Go gets the kill. It's 15 serving eights. On deck to serve, it's still number 2, Karen Peñamante. Receive by Via. Ashley Sanos. Ledesma was there. Chance ball. Faye chooses. Gatchalian, drop on. Regalo. Ledesma was there. Arellano. Ooh. Chance ball for the aces. Faye goes to Ambata. Peñamante was there. Go, papano sa dos. Chance to the aces. 1-2 play. Ledesma was there. Ashley, in over na lang. Ashley gets the kill. On deck to serve for the aces, it's 31, Faye Takumus. Service by Faye. The receive by Karen. Babalik, chance ball. Faye, Pendenes, si Isha. Isha gets the kill. Serving 15. Still serving, it's Faye Takumus. Service by Faye. The receive by Ledesma. Kneeling set. Nagtak error. And that goes to aces.
Magkano nga ito, Mike? Magkano ito? Magkano ito?
Arellano chooses go. Laxi was there. 1-2 play. It's good for Ambata. Time out, Netforce.
No more.
Sir, bayad.
Magkano po ito?
75.
May... Sino may 50 dyan?
Oh, Sprite, Sprite.
20, may 20 ka.
Ma'am. Ni.
Back to the ball game.
Talali. May 20 ka.
20,000.
20 lang. Yeah. Pabayaran na lang namin. Kulang kami na 20.
It's 22, serving 50. Still serving, it's number 31, Tacomos. The receive by Liz. Arellano, sunat kay Go, sa tres. Angel was there. Faye chooses Ambata with the drop ball. Chance sa aces. Isha, papalo, sa dos. Buhay! Faye goes to Ambata. Buhay pa rin ang bola. And that goes wide. Point for the aces. Aces arrives at warning shots. Service by Faye. Short serve. Babalik ang bola. Ashley ang nag-set. Kay Isha. Buhay ang bola. Babalik. Ang bata with the 1-2. Double contact. Point for Netforce. Attack error sa Katipunera. Still serving. It's number 12. Lexi receiving. Faye goes to Isha sa opposite. Gets the kill. Aces now arrives at set point. Now serving, it's number 10. Isha Gatchalian for the sets. Service by Isha. And that's an ace!